Gutters and roofs need to be cleaned periodically to maintain their functional life and to avoid them being compromised by the accumulation of organic material and debris. If gutter blockages occur, it is likely that an extreme rain event will cause the gutter to overflow. When gutters overflow back into the building, the water can damage insulation, reduce thermal performance, and create moisture, mould and rot issues. The most effective and cost-effective way to clean gutters of debris and organic material is to wet clean them. The installation of a permanently mounted ladder secure bracket on the gutters of 1, 2 and 3 level properties prevents the ladder from slipping and sliding. Depending upon the design of the property, 2 to 4 ladder secure brackets will allow the pressure or wet cleaning of the gutters from the secured ladder. The installation of a ladder secure bracket also benefits other trades, such as aerial installers, builders, plumbers, and roof maintenance and repair operators, as the placement of 2 to 4 ladder secure brackets around the property reduces the time that people have to spend at risk on the roof. The ladder secure bracket comes in a range of common gutter colours and a high vis option for easy identification by specialist trades as to where they can safely access the roof. In summary, permanently mounted ladder secure brackets A. can be installed on all existing external gutter profiles. B. stops ladders from slipping and sliding. C. allows gutters to be safely, efficiently and cost-effectively cleaned. D. allows safe access to the roof on 1, 2 and 3 level properties. E. come in a range of common gutter colours with a high vis option for specialist trades.